Welcome everyone! Does this look familiar to you? I did a video here almost a year ago and I couldn't actually get inside, but this is a whole different era. Thanks to these gentlemen right here, we are actually going to go inside the glass bank, and even more incredible, there's actually a penthouse up at the top, and hopefully we're actually going to get inside the penthouse and show you that. Join these guys too and me, shall you?
The co-owner of the Glass Bank in Cocoa Beach, well, that man committed suicide less than 24 hours after the city got the go-ahead to tear that building down.
Frank Wolf lived in the Glass Bank, known for all of its windows, but if you look at the top section of the building, there are no windows.
He lived in the top floor penthouse, and he was the only occupant to...
A unique and splendid sort of a palace, after losing which Frank Wolf killed himself. Today it was revealed that the Glass Bank building recluse, Frank Wolf, shot himself to death.
I'm surprised no one's rearranged these and wrote something creepy in there.
Oh wow, it is an underground vault. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't think I'd put money on a wooden shelf.
It connects right to the other side. I don't know why you would want...
In case you got trapped inside the vault with all the money?
Maybe.
No, that actually makes sense.
In case you were wondering which way to lock it. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
Parts of the buildings are actually starting to collapse.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah, you can see it.
These temporary supports on some parts. And they used to be more glass in the corners and stuff, but they filled them in with cement when the hurricanes came over because it was going to break during the hurricane.
This is totally a dead vulture right here. I've never seen a dead vulture up close and personal like this. That's pretty scary, actually. It's pretty creepy. Caught me by surprise.
Wow.
It's like one of the Skeksis.
You want the flashlight in the shot?
Yeah, light it on there. Give us some cinematic goodness. Awesome. All right, come on, let's do it. The sauna in here, it actually smells like a sauna. You can smell the sauna-ness.
It's all his degrees. Degree, fraternity.
Speaking of degrees, it's about 120 degrees in here. Wolf. There's actually a pillow with his logo on it right here.
The Wolf logo?
Yeah, on this pillow. And it's right next to a baggie of top ramen. What's up there?
Just AC units and electrical stuff.
They should probably turn them on because it's scouringly hot in here. Oh yeah, there's definitely pigeons in here. Get out of here, pigeons! Something out of Little Shop of Horrors almost.
This goes into his penthouse too, into his bedroom, if you want to take a peek.
Did the door just fall off?
Yes.
I think it's safe to say that door is dry rotted. So this is the entryway to the penthouse. Was there a waterfall here, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
Yep.
No windows up here either. Super dark. This is awesome, this rock. He had his own little personal bar here, obviously. What's that up in there?
He would build a Christmas village in there.
This is where his Christmas village would have been? This is kind of the living room here. He actually built a mountain against the wall. Look at that, that's crazy. Can you shine your flashlight up there?
Yeah.
He built a mountain on top of the glass bank with little clouds. That is awesome. The refrigerator's massive.
Ripply pattern.
Oh, by shining on the ceiling.
But it reflects down on the floor in a really cool way. Like back there you can see it. The way all the light reflects off of it. It's like underwater.
There's actually carpet on the ceiling, where the ceiling meets the wall all the way across. That is pretty wild. Oh, someone's got a Busch beer here. Unopened.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's unopened. Thirsty?
Remember that place?
You think that's where his bed was?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And there was a TV there.
That's where all the magic happened.
How old was the guy? Like 80?
Something like that.
It's where all the 80-year-old magic happens. Oh yeah, it's styrofoam. It looks like real rock though.
Yeah.
It's pretty imaginative. It's actually really cool.
I'm thinking that could have been some sort of bird thing.
This big chunk of styrofoam?
No, I think it was more of like a water fountain maybe.
Like a water fountain or like
Well,
an atrium?
He's got some flowers in there.
Yeah.
Oh wow. We just pushed that button there and
Yep.
this whole operation worked. Spun around, gave him his shoes and his press ties and his blazers. That's awesome.
A shot of fishing out there.
Well, we made it to the top, and that means the end of the video. Thanks to these guys for giving me the tip to get inside. Where can they find your video?
You can check us out at youtube.com/theproperpeople, and we make exploration videos just like Adam's, and we also do cinematic videos for some locations.
Which are even cooler than mine. I'll put the link up here and down here. Check them out. Tell them I said hello. Till next time, goodbye.